Chinese food culture is a rich and diverse culinary tradition that is deeply rooted in the country's history, philosophy, and values. It is a vital part of Chinese identity and plays a significant role in bringing people together. Chinese cuisine is not just about food, but also about the art of cooking, the joy of eating, and the importance of sharing meals with others. Key characteristics: emphasis on freshness. Traditional Chinese food emphasizes the use of fresh ingredients with a focus on vegetables, grass-fed meats, seafood, and herbs. Regional diversity. Chinese cuisine is a regional cuisine that is constantly evolving, with different regions having their own unique cooking traditions and specialties. Chinese people place a great deal of importance on the sensory experience of food, with a focus on texture, flavor, color, and aroma. Use of staple ingredients. Chinese cuisine relies heavily on staple ingredients such as rice, soy sauce, noodles, tea, chili oil, and tofu. Structure of a Chinese meal. Influence and global reach. Chinese food culture has had a significant impact on the world, with Chinese restaurants and ingredients becoming increasingly popular globally. Chinese cuisine has also been shaped by its cultural and economic exchanges with other countries, resulting in a diverse and dynamic culinary landscape. Overall, Chinese food culture is a vibrant and complex tradition that is deeply rooted in Chinese history and values. Its emphasis on freshness.
आपने इस वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक जरूर करें। ऐसे ही और रोचक वीडियो के लिए बने रहिए। धन्यवाद।